What's up, guys? Yes, I'm here to give you a tour of this Airbnb. No, this is not an Airbnb. This is my father's house, and actually, I made it to the village. We are in Vihiga County, to the village, and this is our house. This is my father's house. I'll say my father's house because is the Jaduong. So yes, I wanted to give you an update on that and give you a small tour of how things look this side. So here is the gate. So from here is the gate. As you come in, we have plants, and there is the house. It rained yesterday, so yeah, that is water, fresh rainy water. And that here is where my mom was buried at. May her soul continue resting in peace. And yeah, if you go this other side, we have banana here, and that is how do you call it? Cassava, or is it cassava? Yes, they've grown some cassava here, and there's these huge tall trees of banana. Yeah, as you all know, the weather here is cool. I've told you that already. And yes, so behind the house we have they've planted some, this is napier grass, there's more cassava there and more banana. Whew. This guy, like my father, grew a lot of bananas, which is a good thing though. Yes, and this other side we have more napier grass, more bananas. There used to be a back door here, but as you all can see, they decided to remove it. So, and I don't know, how do you call this? I only know it in Kijaluo, Ilungo ni Budho. That one is here too. There's more of it here. More napier grass. And this is how it looks behind here. Those were some of the remains when they decided to cut out the house. It was so big, it looked like a church. And yes, more bananas also on this other side. So let us just get back. There goes another door. My sister is cleaning up. So if you come this other side, there are more bananas. We have pawpaws. I don't know why this one is so short. My sister told me that Nile mti ya Mombasa, it's not the original one. We got flowers, and we have the toilet here. Let me just show you how the toilet looks like. I just cleaned it myself. I don't know if you guys use that in your places. So yeah, that is it. Yesterday I did some laundry, and in that upcoming video I'll be showing you like a daily routine. So in front here, this is the view of the place from that angle. The place is so big, yeah, hadi huko nyuma. And yes guys, that is it for that part. And when you get out of the gate, you'll be going to my grandfather's house. That is Kwadani. So Kwadani is on this other side. It's a walking distance from our house there. And so let's go there and show you how it all looks. They are all dead, by the way. My grandfather died back in the 2000, and my grandmother just recently. So this is the place, and it goes up to the main gate. Oh yeah, I'm actually walking. We are going there, and I'll show you where they were buried and show you how the house looks right now. And here it is. Here is the gate. Yeah. And I don't know if people are here, but we will check. Malai. And this is my grandparents' place from the back. They are all gone. That is my uncle's house. And this is where they were buried at. Mzuri mzuri. Niko. Yo. That is the end of that short tour. As you all, I think you've seen everything. So later on, I'll be showing you what next and all that. We'll be going to visit places around here, and we'll also be going to see it's going to be like a daily routine in the village that would be coming up anytime soon. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so, and let us grow together. So that is the end of this. See you guys in the next video.